You gonna be full after this, ain't you? And you a bottle of milk?
Stop, Mom. Crack-headed daddy. Black baby.
Now, see, you took off too much.
You eat banana? You eat banana, man? Give me his banana back.
Wait a minute, he ain't done yet.
You eat banana? He's 4 months.
Demolishing this.
Eat banana? You eat banana, man? You eat banana, man?
It's better than a bottle.
Hell yeah. You eat banana? They eat banana.
Daddy needs some water, please.
Hey, get 2 on the double. You eat banana? You good? This is a
Spit it out, Mary.
Spit what out?
The banana. It's on his chin.
It's on his chin.
Now he cuts people out.
That ain't nothing.
Ugh.
Now, can we turn this around?
Go get a cup.
Hey, give him my blue cup,
Ain't
Dad.
no cup in there.
Give my blue cup.
They're up at the top. They're at the top.
Hey, come grab my blue cup.
Go get me some water, man. That blue cup ain't even in here.
It is.
Where?
You eat banana? Is it good?
Look at him chewing. You know too dang on much. Come on.
He is 4 months old chewing a banana. Eat the banana. Eat the banana.
You see this goofy little man?
Eat the banana. You cute little monkey. Yeah, you eat the banana?
Now, I'm about to throw this in my mouth. You can work on another piece. Saquani working on that side of the bed down there. I bet I'm going to sleep down there tonight.
I'm going to eat the other piece.
Okay.
Take it in me.
Good, good. Wait a minute.
Well, cuss her out about it then. Don't hold back. Banana. Mom, give him the banana.
You was W-R-O-N-G for this one.
Well, what's
the
up?
same piece. I took it. Like, I'll be damn. Huh? All right, cool then.
Want a grape?
You don't feel the same. She took it.
You took your banana? Yeah, I took the banana. You wash it out? Yeah.
All right.
Mm-mm.
You ain't said nothing about
Wash out again.
Where you get this from? Out the faucet?
Yeah, that one.
Ain't no water in the refrigerator?
I just used the last stuff before crying.
In my dirty cup.
In your dirty cup.
Well, Facebookers and YouTubers knows a 4-month-old child eating a banana.